What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome back to the journey. Today is October 2nd, Monday, and I got another day trading video for you guys. This is the ES chart 2000 tick interval, and this is what the charts looked like when I opened up Monday morning on NinjaTrader. You can see Friday, tumultuous week. We had a pretty bad week, but it's okay. That was a tough week. The person who I was learning from on YouTube, Thomas Wade, he said it was a pretty hard week, one of the hardest weeks he's ever done. So it made me feel a bit better about myself. But it was a hard week last week. But we try to bounce back today. I did take 2 trades today, and I was pretty dumb. I thought I was on my actual account when I made my first trade of the day, and I made it it was actually on the sim. And of course, that trade's the one that worked out, and then the one on my other account, the other trade I took, didn't work out. So, kind of annoying start to the week, but it is what it is. I'm not going to sit here and complain about it, but yeah, you can see started forming this channel. We started off with like a break going low, and it looks like it faded out that downtrend channel, and then started making started reversing, making a new kind of uptrend little area. I noticed some resistance here, and then I was waiting for it, and I got a second entry short that I liked, and so I took it off the EMA, and this was my first trade of the day right here. Unfortunately, again, I was on the sim and I didn't realize it, and being stupid. That was my paid account, but I accidentally used the sim, and it sucks, but it's whatever. You can see second entry short, got a nice signal bar from the off the EMA, and then it filled my order, and then it shot back up. Filled my order, then shot back up, and then made a lower high confirmation of the second entry short, and dropped down pretty nicely. I was actually tempted to take the lower high until I realized I'm like, oh shoot. I was trading on the sim. But it happens. It happens. That wasn't the first time I've done that, but yeah, I was on the sim. I got all excited because I'm like, oh man, I'm on my first trade. Let's go. But then I realized, I'm like, wait, oh man, I'm on the sim. But it is what it is, guys. And then, yeah, I thought I was going out, going reverse, maybe hit back up, try to hit the new highs. But you can see that lower high after that. I thought about taking that. Didn't. Should have. It's okay. There's always another trade. But yeah, I literally kind of just bounced around a little bit, and yeah, it was kind of another one of those confusing days. I thought we might started going into a trading range because the EMA started getting a little bit flat. As you can see, it started bouncing up and down. And then my friend who texted me, who was trading with me, was like, oh, it may be a double leg correction, which it pretty much was to the T. And then, maybe it started trading back down, but I'm not too sure exactly where it was. But yeah, you can see then once we hit, I think 9 o'clock for East Coast. It was 5 o'clock or 4 o'clock here. We got some pretty crazy volatility, probably some news. Made it continuing this uptrend. I was just trying to follow along, like where the hell it was going, but very hard to follow. You can see he made like these 2 legs going up, kind of ish, and then kind of just started what's it called? just going up a little bit, and then it started going back down. It was just another one of those weird training range days, at least in the morning. That's how it is every single morning, it seems like. It just doesn't know where to start. Not honestly, maybe because it's the start of a new month, start of October. But yeah, it just didn't seem like it knew where to go yet. Couldn't find a stride price wise, and you can see the EMA flattening out, not really holding up well. And I was trying to find a decent setup here, but I couldn't find any setups this early on. But it is what it is, and you just gotta work with what you got and take what the market gives you. And that's what I need to work on, because I bit the bullet on this one, and my last trade, screwed me over. But yeah, as you can see, it just kind of started, making this structure, which, it was kind of hard to see exactly where it was going. It was making higher highs and lower lows, but for me, it's still hard to make sense of the structure. But I'm gonna go back in the videos and look and see what the hell is really going on. But I'm gonna cut here to my last trade. But yeah, you can see, I thought we might get a triple test, and this is my reasoning for taking this last trade. I thought I was trying to fade the breakout here. We might get a break lower, because you can see we had this range. There's that spot where it was testing, and then I entered because we broke out and then came back into the range, and then I was just fading the breakout, expecting it to drop again. That was my assumption going into this one, but it very close to filling it. I think I put it 2 ticks below the signal bar, and it hit 4 ticks if it would have lowered it, but didn't get it, then completely reversed and stopped me out. So not the best way to start Monday, accidentally trading on the sim and then losing my first trade. So, but it's okay. Tuesday, new day, we'll bounce back, and yeah, we're just gonna keep up the positive momentum. Can't let the emotions get to me. Can't let the emotions get to you while trading, and can't psych myself out either. Just stick to what I'm doing, stick to what I learned, and just keep going, keep grinding. With that being said, guys, I'm gonna end it off here. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. I'll leave my most recent video here to the left, and then my subscribe button here on the right. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Hope everybody that did trade today had a good trading day, and everybody that didn't have a good trading day, hey, there's always tomorrow, and just don't quit. Keep going. But that being said, I'll see you guys all in the next video tomorrow on Tuesday. Peace.